Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with Wichita Home Link, and I wanted to talk to you about what Wichita Home Link is. We're a house buying company, and we typically buy houses that are in need of repair, or people need to move fast, or for whatever reason. Maybe they've inherited the house. These houses can range anywhere from a complete remodel, a complete gut, take everything out, and all new material put in, or it could just be that the house is a little bit outdated and they just need to move and sell. We've done everything from new roofs, siding, foundation, really the whole house, and there's no job that is too big for us. We've gone and put 4 to 5 dumpsters worth of material that we had to take out of houses in the past, and hoarder houses are another prime example. So yeah, what we do is we come in, buy houses for cash in as little time as the title company will let us, and go from there. If you're looking to sell your house, please call me at 316-258-0650, or if you have any questions, you can also reach us at WeBuyHouses in Wichita Ks.com. Thank you, and have a great day.